Well, go on, beautiful people. I'm going to you there again, Out there with the next vlog. You can probably see from the title what I go on. But for now, I leave it as a surprise. So, you're in our house. We're about to walk outside. And then I have something for show you guys. You see me? Yeah, man. So, this would have been my first vlog of this type. You know what I mean? So, just drop your comment. Tell me what you think. Drop a like and let me know if you know more vlogs like this. Is it? Blessed 2025. This should be my first vlog for the year too as well. So big up on yourself. Thanks for all of the subscribers. Them road to 1K. Get there fast like jet flare, you know? We are going to put in the work. More vlogs coming for you guys, man. So just go and stay tuned and watch the video. You know what I mean? Any update, me make you know. But that one here go wicked. That is it, man. Coolers in the place. Big up yourself. Color Smith TV. You see me? Seeing the couple meet and greet and then we there. So big up yourself, my G. No joke. Alright. Go outside. But first, get ready, you know. Come on. You. Okay. You. Get some moves. Flip the camera so I go on. It's snowing, guys. I have my work shoes. Couldn't wear no sneakers outside for this, you know. But yeah, man, it's a winter wonderland, you know. Guys, it wet, guys, it wet. Grenade launcher. Yeah, guys, I could walk got the car real quick. Guys, I don't know where the GoPro there. So, I have to use the phone. Try no star. I try go in a chunk, but I don't know if that can happen. Guys, a view of how the place stay. See me? And I know this look like about 3 inches. And it's supposed to fall all day, you know what I mean? So. Alright, over this now is a special view. I'm soon carrying go show you this. But for now, oh my god! Boy, guys, my step this I nearly sink. But make we see. That's it. Open the trunk, you know, and it don't move. Snow hold it down. Alright, let's see, guys. Woo. Woo. Smooth. Alright, now I'm gonna higher than this. What we need. Shit, might have to go higher. Need the tripod. And then just keep this outside. Yeah, guys, so I have the tripod. I make some content. And then I have my brush. But now another time to brush it off because you know it will continue fall until later. So later now we just make one thing. You see me? The man make sure I stop yesterday and buy a brush. So we are set up a tripod now. I'm going with some content, see? So stay tuned and watch what I go. Matter of fact, before I set up a tripod, come take a walk. I have one more thing more I'll show you guys. Leave these right here, so. See me? You have to cover your tracks, you know, guys. You see me? So you have to step back in here, step. So we got to work, you know. You see me? Yeah. Step back in here, step. I joke, man, you don't have to do that. Don't know what's all over the show. Right now, I'm going to show you in the backyard. You see me? So watch out. The ocean that, you know. Your prayer. Guys, that's how a backyard look. As I say, the ocean that, you know. I see you have the dock right there, you know. You can launch your boat or your jet ski, you see me? So as far as I see nothing stick on the water, no iceberg, no nothing. So I go and watch it. And there's no eye around here, so as I see. But later on when everything ease up, move forward black. Probably try to build a snowman around here, so I couldn't see me never build one yet still, but I could try. One thing, guys, note, so when the snow fall outside it's not cold. I learned that when the snow fall outside it's not cold. You see, as soon as you see it stop fall out of Father God's sky and set up on the ground, iceberg, man, bricks. Alright guys, man, I shovel the entrance right there, so I get the tripod, setting up on the tripod, and then we can so I'm setting up on the tripod, guys, shovel the doorway, then head block inside, you see me? And then the next thing to note, you see this type of jacket, you know, hold the water. So if you have a cotton jacket when the snow fall upon it, you know, like that, it'll go get soaked. Yeah, go get wet. So you go for a plastic raincoat type. So when you wet, the water just run off, you know what I mean? And you don't get soaked. Yeah guys, but we out here without fear. Probably later on we try do a live. So I don't know which one I'm going to see first. Might post this vlog right away. Raw and cut. You see me? Yeah. Post it raw and uncut. Yo, don't do it. Trouble there. Alright, so set up the tripod. And then we're going to show the door. And I make you see what I go on. So remember to like and subscribe, you know, at the Moocha Yardi. Oh. Okay guys, shovel entrance, you know, but as you can see, snow fully up back already. We'll get a nice little shovel, you see it? Yeah. Nice little shovel. So, I'm going to set up on the tripod. Now I make no snow angel yet. Open eye here, we now make no snow angel yet. I'm going to wait till it stop fall. See if I can get some. Wow. Icicle, you know? But them call them icy where you get the shaved ice and you put little syrup on it. Real thing this. Can start a business. Nice little bar, you know? Fat one. Ooh. Feel cool. Yeah guys, crazy. Crazy. Alright guys. Woo, getting ready. Yes, I'm gonna take a break. Go inside. Get some hot chocolate. And then about an hour time, go forward and go now the see. Need some water. So at the Moocha Yard, just like and subscribe and stay tuned. Oh. Yeah, guys. Cold time now, we are drinking water, but you know, I'm showing our view from the window. Gonna see what I go on. Alright, well. Yeah, so I look from inside, guys. From the window. Is it? Yeah. So I view this mail very quick. You know what I mean? View that mail very quick. Is it? Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Don't work today, okay? No, today I'm Monday. Today, Monday, January 6th, I think. Yeah, so no work today. That boss boy, I never forward in that till man. You don't pay me enough, man. You understand? So guys, in there. So I go and chill a little bit, as me tell you. You see me? So yeah. So I go and chill a little bit, give it an hour. Then I make some TikTok video, so I can search my TikTok. Mucho 1876. I make some TikTok video to and post. What I go on, you see me? Yeah, man, say, if you're there on YouTube, Mucho 1876. You see me? That's my TikTok. So you can check out that. Mucho Yardi on IG. Mucho Yardi on Facebook. Eat a run, so we are going warm up. You see it? Yeah, man, but go and stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Like, subscribe. Big up all of the subscribers and the viewers them. You see me? 1K, road to 1K, where I do it. Alright guys, the black outside, kinda ease up, And if you notice the sky, it look like when rain or fall down. Yeah, man, I say the sky look up on the tree, yeah, so I have the snow all over it. You shake that right now, a problem, Yeah, man, you shake that, man, a problem right now. But yeah, see the place where I shovel up Shirley, You see how it grow up back? You see me? Watch out, that's this is some straight ice. You see me? Straight ice that. But we're out here without fear, guys. You know what I mean? Just first vlog for the year, as me say. January, can hear the plane pass, Plane them pass, that's a helicopter them pass, that's too. But yeah, 1st of January, well, not 1st of January, but in a January, first vlog this year, you see me? Yeah, man, the Mucho Yardi. So, as I say, I'm me alone. I don't know if I want to try make a snowman, but I just have an idea. I try make one. I use the shovel and scoop it up in one place. Then I build it. Because I say if I use my hand, that will take forever. But I use the shovel. Smart, so the stay tuned for that part there, you see me? Nobody know up on the road, as I can see. I see a golf cart pass from there. And a bulldozer, but that's about it. Everybody inside. You know, if a Jamaican hurricane, I blow everybody outside, you see me? But drop one up on the tripod. Go on a wide view. You see me? This is it. This is it, guys. Yeah, man. Don't go soon. You're mad. Two blow I took my clothes, okay? I know when the snow stick by you and it start melting, it get wet. I could go check it out. You know, come out good, but my head part not sure. So you can see my hand section right there. Next hand right there. Therefore you can't see him, guys. I'm up on the road. So you know, come out good. How my back stay? Tell me how my back stay. You have a stick on my back. Yes, sir. We are gonna go in now. And then we'll try to make a snowman later on. We'll go warm up first. Wait till around dinner time and thing. So just like and subscribe now. Oh. Alright guys, quick update. You know me say my dad go to make snowman. That not gonna work. Because I got the door. See? I got the door. And when I got the door, it's bricks outside. Bricks city. When I say cold, it's cold, man. Freezing. So I just decide, say, oh, no snowman now, but I make. So probably tomorrow. You know what I mean? Snow is still there. I don't think it'll melt. So probably tomorrow now, me give it a try. Because I said before now, once the snow is falling, actively falling, it's not cold. You can be out there all day. You see, once it stop falling from the sky and it's settle on the ground, ice, man, iceberg. So, but I go outside, I just find 2 movie watch. I just finish watch some YouTube. You know what I mean? Flavor Squad, big up on yourself. Unruly, I don't see it. Why? Where that man I go? That's the type of vehicle you need for these weather. You know what I mean? Yeah, 4x4 and them thing, the SUV truck and them type thing. But for me, you know, as I say, I don't work, so I'm just chill. First vlog for the year, big up on myself, give thanks for the like, for the views, for the subscription, them for the follow. You know what I say? Much you know, so we'll make a vision board of all the vlogs that we want to do this year, and some of them we just make them flow, so just stay tuned for more content. As I say, if tomorrow now we get to make a snowman, we put it on the vlog so we can see it. So just go and like and subscribe and stay tuned, you know what I mean? Until next time, what is on the nose? I'm out.